Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, before we start our lessons, let's pray together according to your belief. Pray, start. Pray, finish. Okay, let's check the attendance first. Gigi,
Present, Miss.
Nanda,
Present, Miss.
Gadis,
Present, Miss.
Novita.
Present, Miss.
Okay, today's lessons will both fun and challenging because we will explore the traditional story from Indonesia and analyze the character traits, conflict, and the moral of the story. So why are we learning this? Because understanding character and moral of the story will help us become a good readers and better persons. So every story teach us something about kindness, honesty, courage, or even the consequence of bad behavior. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's start with a simple activity first. Pay attention to these pictures. So, who can guess the character of traditional story from Indonesians are they? Gigi, please.
The character is bawang merah and bawang putih, Miss.
Great, they are bawang merah and bawang putih. And who can guess their personalities? Don't overthink, just guess based on their appearance, okay? Please discuss with your partner beside you for 1 minute. Okay, time's up. Any volunteer? Daddy, please.
Okay, I think bawang putih looks kind because she is smiling, Miss, and her clothes are simple.
Okay, great analysis. And how about the personalities of bawang merah? Yuna?
Okay, I think bawang merah is rude and angry because her expression is sulky, Miss.
Okay, good job, Yunan. You have already tried to guess the personalities based on the picture. Okay, I will give you a short story of bawang merah and bawang putih. Please read it individually and analyze the 4 elements. Okay, the first one is the character. The second one is character traits with the evidence. The third one is the conflict. And the last one, moral of the family. Okay, do you understand?
Yes,
Miss. Okay, please read it individually and later on we will discuss together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you guys finished?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's discuss together who is the character, what traits do you notice, what conflict appears, and the last one is moral of the value. Who can tell me the character in the story? Novita, please.
The main character is bawang merah, bawang putih, and stepmother.
Great, Novita. Give applause for Novita. Next one, who can tell me the character traits with the evidence? Gigi, please.
Bawang putih is kind and polite. She behaved kindly and honestly to the old woman. Meanwhile, bawang merah is rude and jealous, Miss. She treated bawang putih unkindly and was rude to the old woman, Miss.
Okay, good analysis. Give applause for Gigi. Next one, who can tell me the conflict of the bawang merah and bawang putih story? Gadis, please.
It is the conflict is bawang putih lost her stepmother clothes and had to find it, while bawang merah became jealous and tried to copy her.
Okay, thank you guys for the analysis. And after the whole story, you know the character traits, the conflict. Who can tell me the moral value of the story? Nanda, please.
Okay, so moral value is kindness and honesty can bring a good fortune. Meanwhile, jealousy and rudeness can lead to negative consequence.
Okay, great analysis, students. Give a applause for everyone. Great analysis, my students. You have already be able to understand the character traits, the conflict, and the last one is the moral of the
Value.
Okay, next we will continue to the following story. I will give you a story of Situ Bergendir. So please read it silently, and I will divide you into 2 groups, and one group will have 2 members. Okay, please sit with your group, please. Okay, so your task is please analyze the 4 elements that I explained before of the Situ Burgundy story. Okay, do you understand?
Understand, Miss.
Okay, discuss together and take notes. I will walk around to help you. Okay, time's up. Are you guys finished?
Yes,
Miss.
Okay, now I will use number heads together technique. So I will give this for each group, and please assign the number who will be the number 1 and who will be the number 2. And I will spin the wheel, and the number that appear in screen have to run and come in front of the class and explain the answer. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, for question number 1, I want you to tell the character in situ Baginda story. I will spin the wheel now. Okay, because you not come first, so get it? You can say it again. And Yunan, can you tell me the character that appear in situ Baginda story?
Okay, Miss, so the character in the Burgundy story, the first one is Burgundy, and then her stepmother, her stepsister, and also mysterious old man.
Okay, let's analyze. How about the group B? Did you agree with Yunan answer or do you have a different answer?
Agree, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Yunan. Okay, next. Before I spin the wheel again, if you want to change your number with your partner, you can change. Okay. For the question number 2, I want you to explain the character traits with the evidence. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Let's spin the wheel. Okay, because it is come first, so you can go back. Okay, guys, can you tell me the character traits and the evidence of the Baginda story?
Okay, the first is Bardenir. So Bardenir is patient and sincere. She went back to the spring at night without complaining and accepted her text calmly. And then the stepmother is strict and demanding. So she went to Bardenir. She sends Bardenir to a faraway spring even when it was dark. And then the stepsister is selfish and greedy. So she wants the magical gift for herself and attacked rudely to the old man. And the last is old man. It's kind and medical, so he helped Bardenir and give her a gift because of her good heart.
Okay, very good. How about the group A? Did you agree with this or have a different answer?
Yes, we agree with Gadi's answer. The Burgundy is kind of hardworking. His stepmother is cruel and unfair, and stepsister is jealous and also the rude. And the last one is old man is wise and generous, right?
Okay, great analysis today, everyone. Okay. Okay, for question number 3, I want you to tell the conflict of situ Baginda story. Before I spin the wheel, if you want to change your number, you can change.
No, Miss.
Okay, let's spin the wheel. Okay. Because I think Gigi come first, so Nobita, you can go back to your seat. Okay, Gigi, can you tell me the conflict of situ Baginda story?
Okay, Miss, from our discussion about this Baginda story, we found the conflict Bardenir was treated unfairly by her stepmother and also her stepsister, and she struggled with the spill of water and dread punishment. Miss.
Okay, thank you Gigi for the answer. You agree? And how about the group B? Did you agree with Gigi or want to add more? Yes,
I want it.
okay, do you want to add more? No. Okay. Let's move to the last question. For the last question, you will tell me the moral of the value of the situ Baginda story.
Yes, Miss.
Before I speak, if you want to change your number, you can change.
I want jeans.
I want to remind you, please run carefully and please don't forget about your number, okay? Please you change your number, okay, students?
Yes, Miss.
Run carefully, yeah. Okay, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, I will spin the wheel now. Okay. Oh yeah, just remember your number, okay? Because you not come first, so you have to tell everyone the moral of the value of situ Baginda story.
Okay, so based on our discussion, we can note that the moral story of this Situ Baginda story is passion, kindness will bring good outcomes. Meanwhile, jealousy and also bad behavior can lead to misfortunes.
Okay, great analysis of moral of the story. And how about the group? Did you agree or do you want to add more?
Agree means, but I want to add a bit more.
Okay, Nafita.
The story has moral value. Good things come to those who are humble and sincere, while softness and greed bring negative consequence.
Great analysis. Okay, great job everyone. From your answer, I can see that you understand the main character, the character traits, the conflict, and the moral of the value. And most of you explained so clearly that Brother is patient and sincere, while the stepmother and stepsister show negative traits like being strict and greedy. So your reflections also show that you understand the lessons that sincerity and kindness bring good results, while selfishness leads to problems. So keep improving your ability to identify story elements, and don't forget to always support your answer with evidence from the text. Welcome everyone. Okay, now after read the story and after we study about the moral value, character traits, conflict, and the character. So I want you to answer the questions in group before continuing the lessons. Let's reflect. Please mention 3 things that help your group succeed in the discussion. And the second one is mention 1 thing that could be improved for the next discussion. Okay, please discuss with your partner. Alright, who would like to share their group reflection?
Miss,
Okay,
Miss,
Candice,
yeah.
please.
So the thing that helped our group discussion run smoothly were that all members took read the given text seriously, and we also listen to each other, and we divide roles clearly.
Okay, thank you, Gadis. How about the other?
Miss, I am wanting to.
I want to add a bit
Oh,
more.
yeah. Okay, Nafita, please.
One thing that could be improved is our self-confidence, because earlier we were too confused to answer.
Okay, thank you, Nafita, for the reflection. How about the other? Gigi, please.
So in our group,
Okay, how about the other? Okay, Gigi, please.
in our group, we felt that our success influenced because both Yunan and I tried to explain our understanding with evidence from the text, right? So we could understand each other's opinions.
Yes, and one thing that we need to improve is the courage to speak more clearly when answering in front of the class about our answer needs.
Okay, thank you for your group working. I truly appreciate that. And about the lack of confidence, please always keep in mind that in our class, it's okay to make mistakes. So, because it's part of learning. Okay, student? Okay, Miss. Okay, to end our class today, please open your notebook and answer 2 reflect questions. The first one is, what new understanding did you gain about character, conflict, or moral of the value? The second one, which part of the analysis was the easiest and most challenging for you and why? Okay, you have 3 minutes to answer the reflections. Okay? Okay, are you guys finished?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, who want to share their reflection? Mafita, please.
Today I learned about how to identify characters, character traits, conflict, and moral value.
Okay, thank you, Nafita, for your reflections. And can anyone give me the easiest or most challenging for you and why? Gigi, please.
I think, Miss, the easiest part was finding the characters, and the most challenging part was explaining their traits with evidence.
Okay, thank you, Gigi. And how about the other? Gadis, please.
Okay, Miss. I got a better understanding of how to see the difference between good and bad traits in story.
Okay, great, Gadis. Thank you. And how about you, Nan?
So I think I will add a bit more about the challenges, Miss. So I think the hardest part for me was finding the moral value, because I need to think more deeply and understand the story.
Okay, thank you, Yuna, and thank you everyone for the reflection. So today we study about the character traits with evidence, conflict, and the moral of the value of traditional story from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
And we practice with number heads together technique. So thank you everyone. I'm so proud of you and appreciate your participation. So before we end our class, let's pray together according to your belief. Pray, start. Pray, finish. Okay, thank you everyone for today. See you next week.
See you.